At Knobelsdorff, we have 4 unique divisions. We've got our energy group, our electrical group, our automation group, and our power services group.
A new employee coming into the energy division can expect a lot of hands-on training. You're going to have multiple mentors you can turn to.
I can't even describe how KE's helped me grow. I mean, KE as a whole has really helped me see the bigger picture in things.
We're growing so fast. In my time here, I've seen tons of new faces, and that's a good thing. It's a great time to be joining the solar industry. We need more and more energy every single day, and this is a great place to be to do that.
We've got projects right now in Minnesota, Illinois, Colorado, California. We are starting to dabble in looking into the Southwest and to the East Coast, Northeast states. Currently, average system sizes are anywhere from 5 to 10 to 20 megawatts, and we are now starting to get into utility size scale projects as well. 20, 40, creeping up on 65 megawatts. And a new component to some of these that we are adding is a battery backup too, known as a BESS system.
There's just a huge demand for energy right now, being driven by artificial intelligence, which is being driven by data centers, and there's just such an opportunity out there in front of us right now. A new employee can expect a lot of feedback, but also a lot of support.
Within the electric division, we serve both local customers in the greater Minneapolis, Goodhue, Rochester area, also in Illinois. Then we've got a large project team that serves a broader market. As you look to join the team, specifically on the electric division, there's a lot of skill sets, a lot of custom craftsmanship. It's an exciting time to join. You're going to be adding value pretty quick, and just figure out where you can focus.
I started a little over 5 years ago now. Came from a residential plumbing contractor, switched over because I wanted something a little bigger, more job growth and a little larger scale. As long as you're willing to work hard and do what it takes, you can really pave your own path.
Given my background, the 30 years in this industry, coming into KE, I feel like we have the best panel shop I've ever worked for. The panel shop is currently working with electrical on flour mills, rice mills, feed mills, corn processing, providing all the controls so that our electricians can install those in those required plants.
You do a little bit of everything. You do conduit, cable tray, you put wire, you install panels. It's the best decision I've ever made. Couldn't be happier with coming over to Knobelsdorff.
One of the cool, unique things we've done at KE is we've built our own custom software platform called Terra KE, which essentially is an automation product that we've designed for the market, and we built a product that we believe is a big disruptor. One of the things that's unique about Terra KE is, although it's proprietary in the sense of the functions and features, it's still open source to our customers, which is a big deal in the market. In addition to the team of engineers, we have our own UL 508 panel shop. We've implemented a manufacturing lean process, so it's built for scale and professionalism.
I hope every day that by what we develop here helps our customers in their daily operations. That's really what we are here for. The most important thing that we do for our customers is making it easy for them to operate their plants, to find the right information when they need it, without spending a lot of time like with paperwork, Excels, all of these things.
We deal with customers on a daily basis. Customer service is huge for us. I work with our engineering team day in, day out on schedules, project budgets, timelines, overall just project progress, and then relaying that to the customers each week.
It's not about automation replacing people, it's actually about empowering people, because as we come in and we automate a manual task that might take them 20 hours a week, they can now excel in their position and focus on something that adds value to their company.
For me, it's more than automation. It's actually about integration. Because a lot of customers out there have a lot of different systems, and Terra is one part of it. We want to make sure by having Terra in place that all these systems connect to each other, talk to each other, building this kind of holistic automation approach. Automation is one thing, integration is for me the most important thing. That really brings value.
Power Services is a division within Knobelsdorff that ensures electrical equipment and apparatus operate safely, reliably, and as intended.
Within Power Services, we have 4 unique entities which make up our division. When it comes to NFPA 70, B and E, we not only offer NFPA training, we have an expert in-house that goes around, does train the trainer, trains our employees. So we're all proficient, so we can help educate and help the customer know when things need to be done to help their insurance companies to provide a safer environment for their employees.
O&M is operation and maintenance of solar gardens facilities. We handle rooftops, servicing inverters, replace panels, troubleshooting, DAS communications, any and all needs.
We go out to energy solar sites and we ensure that the electrical equipment that is on the solar fields are operating as intended.
For energy customers, when a site is down, we act fast to get them up and running because it's a loss of production for that given customer. We want to provide the best service possible to get them back on the grid and know that they're going to be reliable going forward. We're making sure that everything that you interact with within your system is going to operate the way it's intended from day one.